Hey everyone, today is Wednesday, May 12th, and it's a day after people are looking for gas. I am in Georgia and the whole state's pretty much out of gas. So, what's today on my list? I am going to the shoe repair to pick up a strap for my purse that broke, and I'm going to neighborhood Walmart to get a few essentials. So I have some of my products here, my morning skincare routine. You'll see some that I have been using and some new products, like just a few that I added in. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know, I have not been consistent at all. So much has been going on in my life, but everything has died down. The storm is over, so I will be giving you guys some content for the next 2 months. So you'll be with me for the next 2 months of my journey, and I will be held accountable for this, okay? So today, well, it's not today, it's tonight. It's 10:41, and I've been anxious, I've been on the go, and I decided, what the heck? Let's do it tonight. I have all this product in front of me that I want to share with you guys that I just got a text message. One of my friends was like, yeah, let's do the damn thing. But anywho, so, and then I'm so popular for saying so much in my video. It's ridiculous. So, I'm going to show you guys. So I stopped going to the nail salon because I had a horror story back in December. The lady filed my nails down so low that it almost made my nail bedding bleed. And then I ended up getting water damage. Yeah. So I ended up growing out my own nails. These are my own nails. And I will leave a link down below with what I do. I will actually probably give you guys a video on how I do my nails. I shape them up. And what kind of nail polish I do use Essie. They have this new brand called Expressi, I believe. I'm looking over there because it's on my vanity. And this stays on for literally a week. Now, when I was working, it'll last me for like 4 or 5 days, which isn't too bad. But yeah, so let's get right into it. First up is, so I'm going to show you guys. Let me see, I guess I'll show you this arm. Mind you, I guess I'll show you another video on how I cleared up my arms, but my arms have not been the best. I get acne a lot. I'm acne prone, but I'm kind of conscious of my armpits because they're very dark. I thought something was wrong with me, and I forgot what the word is called, but it's due to hormonal issues. But they cleared up a lot. For you guys, it's not much, but for me, it is. I'm trying to get more into the creases, and it's a battle. Like, I really hate wearing short sleeves, but I went natural, and I started using 2 products. The first product is this Mega Babe Happy Pits, and it's a detoxifying it's a detoxifying underarm mask, and it has charcoal, glycolic acid, and vitamin C. And so what it's supposed to do is to smooth and brighten, and it's good for transitioning to aluminum free deodorant, which I do use. As you guys know, I have been using natural deodorant for about a year now, and I use the Native, and my favorite is the coconut vanilla. So when you do transition into natural deodorants, it takes a long time for the toxins to come out and sweat, that stinky smell. Let me tell you, being a natural for your arms has been the best thing. So now when I'm going on about my day, when I'm sweating, my pits don't smell as bad as they used to be with using the ones that had the toxins in it. And then I guess I can show you the others, because I went into Ulta today. Natural deodorant. It is retailed at $14, but I had a 20% off coupon, and your girl used $6 off her points from Ulta, and I think it's pronounced LAVANILA, and it smells like, and it smells really rough. This from Ulta, and for bikini legs and underarms, and it's dermatologist and spa tested. They're very exfoliating, and I ended up getting the body wash and the lotion. Body wash is eucalyptus scent, and the benefits is to cleanse, nourish, and balance. And the multivitamins, it has vitamin B3, vitamin C, vitamin E, omega-6, and omega-9. And packaging, I've used some, and this is how the packaging looks. And it's really thick. I can show you a little bit. The product is Soulcare. I brought this a few weeks. It's glass. Baby mask. And I bought this one from Marshall's, and it was $19.99. If I'm not mistaken, at Sephora, this is retail price for $60. And it smells natural. So you put this on, which is polycystic ovarian syndrome. So I ended up breaking out here, and I tried to make sure this is fine, especially when I'm wearing a face mask. So I had that on top of the face mask. So I try to keep my skin as clean as possible and make sure I have like a consistent routine. Eye mask from Nordstrom Rack for $20. I know they cost. I can say that I believe underneath my eyes has cleared up a lot. Simply Truth. And this is a bath and body oil. And I ended up getting it in the almond scent. And it is vegan free, gluten free, cruelty free, no harsh chemicals. And I took a shower like vitamin D3, which I got from Kroger's. And these were, I ended up getting these nail polish remover pads from Walmart. It's a 10 pack. I have the other one in my purse. And you see it's small. And this is a game. It was aesthetically pleasing. It was clean, fresh, nice. Like, I mean, who wouldn't like it? So I went in there a few weeks ago. No, a couple weeks ago. And I had bought the lippy. Now, one of the lippies are not for me. I will tell you guys that now. I haven't gave the other two a try. I can definitely give you guys a makeup video. But I did pick up on the Eyes Up Here kit. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a try right now. And I just got my brows like shaped up 2 weeks ago. Yeah, 2 weeks ago when I got my hair done. So as you guys can see, I have a little hormonal breakout. I don't have any hair, but I'm clearing up my hyperpigmentation. Not gonna do any right now. This is the brow pomade. All right, so yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna do it on the camera. You know good and well I can't do brow pencil. And I just go along with how they shape it. I try to keep my brows natural as possible now. And one is always going to be, you know, not look how the other one is. Okay, so that was simple. This one's a little thicker. So let me fill this in a little bit more on this side. But this is how it looks. This is really cute. This is the brush. Okay, we're back. And bear with me. The Luminous Tinted Skin Serum. And this has tremella mushroom infused. It's a sheer coverage. And it's in universal medium deep. And I ended up getting the brush. So I didn't get the brush the same day as when I bought this. I both bought these from Ulta. So you're supposed to put the foundation in here and then apply it on the skin, per se. And I will give you guys, that's not thrifting. And they're stylish and they're cute. And yes, I love Kate Spade. Kate Spade loves me. It's not that bad. It's like, this is cute. I ended up putting something in it to get its shape back a little. But I dig this. This is antique shop. And these are drinkware Black Girl Magic cups. Look how cute these are. This one's so cute. This one says wake up, dress up, and show up. Oh, this is so gorgeous. This is Sister Friends. Right now I was drinking juice from it, which I had gotten this for my birthday. My mother had brought me the book. Keep it moving. The cup, keep it moving. I'm bringing you guys some content. I'm giving you guys some reviews. Please leave a comment down below. And thank you for watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And have a good night.